Good morning, students. Continuation. Differentiate sin x. Differentiate sin x with respect to log x to base e. In this case, we have to take u is equal to sin x and v is equal to log x to base e. Differentiate with respect to x. Du by dx is equal to sin x derivative is cos x. dv by dx is equal to log x derivative is 1 by x. So du by dx divided by dv by dx cos x divided by 1 by x, which is equal to, it becomes the reciprocal if it shifts to numerator, x by 1, which is equal to x cos x. Next one, differentiate log of secant x plus tan x with respect to secant x. Consider log of secant x plus tan x. So u is equal to, consider u is equal to log of secant x plus tan x. So differentiate it with respect to x. It becomes du by dx is equal to log x derivative is 1 by secant x plus tan x. Secant x derivative, secant x into tan x, plus tan x derivative is secant square x, which is equal to, take out secant x as common, so the left term will be tan x plus secant x divided by secant x plus tan x, which gets cancelled, which is equal to secant x. Now take v as secant x. Differentiate with respect to x. dv by dx, secant x derivative is secant x into tan x. du by dx divided by dv by dx. What is du by dx? du by dx is secant x divided by secant x into tan x, which is equal to 1 by tan x. 1 by tan x is nothing but cot x. 1 by tan x is cot x. Next, differentiate tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square with respect to sin inverse of x divided by root of 1 plus x square. So take u is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Let x is equal to tan theta. So u is equal to tan inverse of u is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is equal to tan inverse of tan 3 theta. Tan inverse gets cancelled, so u is equal to 3 theta differentiated with respect to theta. So du by d theta is equal to 3. Next, let us take this term as v. So v is equal to, let v is equal to sin inverse of x divided by root of 1 plus x square. Let x is equal to tan theta. So v is equal to sin inverse of tan theta divided by root of 1 plus tan square theta. V is equal to sin inverse of tan theta divided by root of 1 plus tan square can be written as secant square theta. Secant square and the root gets cancelled. V is equal to sin inverse of tan theta into 1 by secant theta. V is equal to sin inverse of, V is equal to sin inverse of tan theta divided by root of 1 plus tan square can be written as sin 2 theta. Can be written as sin 2 theta. So V is equal to 2 theta. V is equal to 2 into tan inverse of x. Differentiate. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು, ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, 2 theta. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು theta. dv by d theta is equal to 2. dv by d theta is equal to 2. So therefore dy by du by d theta divided by dv by d theta. What is du by d theta? 3 divided by dv by d theta 2. So the answer is 3 by 2. So this completes one topic. Next we are going to start the new topic, that is second order derivative. That is the heading second order derivative. What do you mean by the second order derivative? Let if y is equal to f of x, if you differentiate with respect to x, it becomes dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. You differentiate this once again, that is called second order derivative. Differentiating with respect to x, it becomes d square y by dx square is equal to f double dash of x. Second order derivative is denoted by, it is also denoted by dy by dx comma f dash of x comma y double dash comma y2 or d by dx of dy by dx. Second order derivative is denoted by in these forms. So take down the first problem. that is exercise 5.7. First one, x cube plus 3x plus 2. Take the given question as y is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 2. Differentiate it with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 3. Differentiate it with respect to x. It becomes d square y by dx square equals 3 into ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಯು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಈಸ್ 2x which is equal to 6x. Next, second one, x to the power of 20. So take y is equal to x raised to 20. Differentiate it with respect to x. dy by dx andru ade, y1 andru ade. So y1 equals 20x raised to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 19. Again differentiate it with respect to x. y double dash is equal to 20 into 19 x raised to 18, which is equal to 380 into x raised to 18. Next, y is equal to log x. Differentiate it with respect to x. y dash ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ 1 by x. ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. y ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದ್ದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, y ಡಬಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 by x ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನು, ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, x into cos x. Take the given question as y is equal to x into cos x. Differentiate it with respect to x. It becomes dy by dx equals, keep the one function as it is, differentiate the cos x, that is minus sin x, plus keep the cos x as it is, differentiate the x, it will be 1, which is equal to minus x sin x plus cos x. This is dy by dx. Again differentiate it with respect to x. It becomes d square y by dx square equals, again keep the minus x as it is, differentiate the sin x, it will be cos x, plus now keep the sin x as it is, differentiate the minus x, it will be minus 1, plus differentiate the sin x, it will be minus sin x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x, which is equal to minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. Next one, let x cube into log x. Take the given question as y is equal to x cube into log x. X cube into log x. Differentiate it with respect to x. So y changes to dy by dx is equal to, keep the x cube as it is, log x derivative is 1 by x, plus now keep the log x as it is, x cube derivative is 3x square, which gets cancelled, x square plus 3x square into log x. We can take x square into 1 plus 3 log x is the left term. Again you differentiate it, use the product rule. Differentiate with respect to x. It becomes d square y by dx square equals, keep the x square as it is. 1 derivative is 0. 3 derivative, 3 into log x derivative is 1 by x plus now keep 1 plus 3 log x as it is. 1 plus 3 log x as it is. Derivative of x square is 2x. X gets cancelled, which is equal to 3x plus 2x plus 6x log x, which is equal to 5x plus 6x log x. 5x plus 6x log x. Next, we can take x as common. So the left term will be d square by dx square equals 5 plus 6 log x. Next, one, e raised to x sin phi x. So let y is equal to e raised to x sin phi x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, keep e raised to x as it is. Sin phi x derivative is cos 5x. Phi x derivative is 5 plus, now keep sin phi x as it is. Differentiate e raised to x. You can take e raised to x as common. So the left term will be 5 cos 5x plus sin phi x. This is dy by dx. Now differentiate it with respect to x. It becomes d square y by dx square equals, keep the e raised to as it is. You differentiate this term. 5 into cos derivative is minus sin phi x into 5 plus sin phi x derivative is cos 5x into 5 plus, now keep 5 cos 5x plus sin phi x into e raised to x. Take out e raised to x as common. So the left term will be 5 into 5 minus 25 sin phi x plus 5 cos 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Take out e raised to x as common. If you simplify, it becomes minus 24 sin phi x plus 10 cos phi x d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. Here in this term we can take 2 as common, otherwise we can leave as it is. 2 common tagidre 2 e raised to x minus 12 sin phi x plus 5 cos phi x. Next one e raised to 6x into cos 3x. So y is equal to e raised to 6x into cos 3x. Differentiate with respect to x. it becomes dy by dx is equal to e raised to x. Sin x, cos x derivative is minus sin 3x into 3. Minus sin 3x into 3 plus keep cos 3x as it is. E raised to 6x derivative, e raised to 6x into 6. So it is equal to minus, we can take 3 e raised to 6x as common. So the left term minus sin 3x plus 2 cos 3x. 2 cos 3x. Again differentiate it with respect to x. So dy by d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square is equal to, keep 3 e raised to 6x as it is, differentiate the whole term. It will be minus cos 3x into 3. 3x derivative is 3 plus 2 into cos 3x derivative is minus sin 3x into 3 plus, now keep minus sin 3x plus 2 cos 3x as it is into e raised to 6x derivative is e raised to 6x into 6, which is equal to, we can take e raised to 6x as common. 3 e raised to 6x as common. So the left term will be minus 3 cos 3x minus 3 to the 6 sin 3x. If you take 3 common, the 2 will be left here. Minus 2 sin 3x plus, it becomes 4 cos 3x. 4 cos 3x. Which is equal to 3 e raised to 6x cos 3x plus 4 cos 3x. It becomes cos 3x. 6 sin 3x minus 2 sin 3x. It becomes minus 8 sin 3x. 8 sin 3x. Next. Three, 6, 2, 4, next. Next one, tan inverse of x. So let y is equal to tan inverse of x, differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to tan inverse derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Again differentiate with respect to x. So it becomes d square y by dx square equals, assume the question as 1 by x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. What is the x square derivative? Minus 2x, which is equal to minus minus gets cancelled. 2x divided by 1 plus x square is the required answer. Next, log of log x. So y is equal to log of log x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by log x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Differentiate with respect to x. D square y by dx square is equal to, use the product rule. Keep 1 by log x as it is. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. Plus, now keep 1 by x as it is. Differentiate 1 by log x. Minus 1 by log x the whole square into log x derivative is 1 by x, which is equal to minus 1 by x square into log x minus 1 by x square into log x the whole square. Take out minus 1 by x square as 1 by x square into log x as common. So the left term is 1 plus 1 by log x, which is equal to minus 1 by x square into log x. If you take the LCM, it becomes log x plus 1 divided by the log x, which is equal to minus of 1 plus log x divided by x square into log x the whole square. X square into log x the whole square. Next, one, sine of log x. Sine of log x. So y is equal to sine of log x. Differentiate it with respect to x. It becomes dy by dx equals sine of log x derivative is cos of log x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Again you differentiate this with respect to x. It becomes dy by dx is equal to, keep the cos of log x as it is. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Plus, now keep 1 by x as it is. Cos of log x derivative is minus sine of log x. Minus sine of log x. Again differentiate with respect to x. So d square y by dx square is equal to, again use the product rule. Keep the cos of log x as it is. What is 1 by x square derivative? 1 by x square derivative will be minus 2 divided by x cube. Plus, now keep minus 1 by x square as it is. Differentiate cos of log x, that is minus sine of log x. Plus, go to the second term. Now keep 1 by x as it is. Sine of log x. Sine of log x. That is cos of log x into 1 by x. Minus, keep the sine of log x as it is. Differentiate 1 by x minus 1 by x square, which is equal to, minus into minus it becomes plus 2 by x cube into cos of log x. Cos of 2 by x cube into cos of log x minus 1 minus into minus it becomes plus 1 by x square. 1 by x square into sine of log x. Sine of log x. Next, minus 1 by x into cos of log x plus 1 by x square into sine of log x. Next, if y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, prove that d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Take the given question. Y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 5 into what is cos x derivative? Minus sin x. Minus 3 into sin x derivative. Cos x. Next, differentiate it once again. D square y by dx square equals, keep the minus 5 as it is, cos sin x derivative is cos x, minus 3 into cos x derivative is minus sin x, which is equal to, now it becomes minus 5 cos x plus 3 sin x. Take out minus common. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Minus common. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. This can be written as what? Y anta baribodu, isn't it? From the given condition, it can be written as minus y. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನ ತಾನೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. So we have to do start the 5 marks question. ಈಗ next 5 marks questions ನ start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next, let us do one more problem, simple problem. If y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x, then prove that d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Consider y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x. Differentiate it with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to a into sin x derivative is cos x plus b into cos x derivative is minus sin x. You differentiate this once again with respect to x. It becomes d square y by dx square equals a into cos x derivative is minus sin x minus b into sin x derivative is cos x. Take out the minus common, so the left term will be a sin x plus b cos x, which is equal to minus y into d square y by dx square. So d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. Next, one, find d square y by dx square if y is equal to x cube plus tan x. Y is equal to x cube plus tan x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square. Tan x derivative is secant square x. Again differentiate it with respect to x. d square y by dx square equals 6x plus secant square x derivative is 2 secant x into tan x. 2 secant x into tan x. Secant square derivative is 2 secant x. Secant x derivative is secant x into tan x, which is equal to 6x plus 2 into secant square x into tan x. Secant square x into tan x. So next we have to start the 5 marks questions. I will do only the 5 marks questions in the next video. So thank you, students.